Hello friends, we are starting our organized self-employment ministry 36 session. We are doing this session under the guidance of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. This is a session of making us organized self-employed government servant in our own work. We have to form a concrete policy of organized self-employment ministry by document signing in whatever work we are doing with this fiscal credit table. The first principle is a right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. Preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. To understand this organized self-employment ministry 36 session, we have to come to my house, that is Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, room number 126. First room, Shiv Puran and 12 Jyotir Mandir documents, shadow documents, and trying to understand the rays of Shiv Shakti blessing. We have all over India 175 crore Shiv Shakti Mandir. Second room, Vishnu Purana, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, and we are putting 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow document and 175 crore Mandir documents we have. Third room is of Brahma Saraswati and 12 Jyotir book ISBN. My Truth Only Trumps book, which I am selling in market, is Truth Only Trumps, written by me in 2001 and in family form in 2002. ISBN certificate is 8190186002X and copyright number is 954/03/CUL. So with that 12 Jyotir book for the documentation. Fourth room is for the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Saptati and Devi Bhagvat, and we have 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir. Then fifth room is for the Hindu Varshkrit and 12 Jyotir Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit and all Varshkrit. And then sixth room is of the government, the Constitution of India, and we have tried to put the certificate from 31st August 1946, the 15 certificate of our guide who has formed the interim government, and then 299 certificates of the constitution maker who made our constitution. Only thing is required that we start self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits. Nothing else is required. And a fiscal credit table. This is a assumed fiscal credit table. It can be 1 rupees, 10 paisa, whatever. According to the degree which we are achieving, automatically we will understand from where we are belonging. And we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Eye. The rays of this book are coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. Those who are blessed, those who are getting job, no problem. Wherever problem is coming, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, and we have to understand that we are the sons and daughters of the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. 6 family. Therefore, I have made the concept in 16.66 into 6 at the point of Amit Kumar Jha, room number 126, by the document method. To understand more and generate more trust and faith by truth, non-violence, unity and debate method, I am trying to explain to you all that put 750 Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha members, shadow documents, and automatically we are belonging from them, because we started together our unified journey on 26 January 1950. Hence then every 5 years we are doing election and we have been vocal in our democratic path. Now employment is also one of the work which we have to do, and it can automatically come because the rays are already giving 100% validity to us and giving us a human welfare to us. But we have to understand by the document method, and we have to put ourselves in 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan connected to the 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan which we have from 26 January 1950, because I have tried to put 30,000 above and 30,000 per month below our line, because 70% of us are 30,000 per month below our line, and we are not able to understand, and we are indulged in that, and automatically we face problem. My solution in organized self-employment ministry is 1 paisa if we are organized from the self-employment side, that is organized self-employment ministry and government side, and we know our Rashtrapati Bhavan posted. Automatically work is Somvari, Mangalwari, Budhwari, Brahaspatiwari, Shukrwari, Shaniwari, Raviwari, and the work we are doing Ekadasi, Dvadasi. In this way automatically we will be guided by our principle, and no forces can distract, because we are organized self-employment government servant in democratic manner. Try to understand the concept. Automatically it will enter into your mind, and trust and faith will be generated, and self-employment government job will come, whatever work we are doing. And in that way self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing will come, because automatically when we will document ourselves by signing with our Aadhaar card, passport, photo, election ID card, and the PAN card, automatically it will be connected, because half of the work is already done from 31st August 2001, and in the 6th unborn family race of the Rashtrapati Bhavan I am doing from the 2002 February. Therefore I have made a organized worship schedule, that is the 31st August to 11th September organized worship of 6 pair of Hindu god and goddess, so that our self-employment remains regular income, and 26th February to the 16 February to 26 February 6 unborn pair, so that we can continue with that, because we are already married in different families, and all over India we are living, and we are working in different sector. Now those who are working automatically by the document system of organized self-employment ministry, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, and photo, election ID card number, we are attached to by writing that this is our work, and by this fiscal credit table. This can, when the validity will come in the parliament, and when 3 budget will come, annual budget 108 ministry we have from 1860, railway budget 1 ministry we have from 1860. Now we required organized self-employment ministry. What will happen? What income we are earning? Not to worry, because 70% of the people are below 30,000 per month earner. By this fiscal credit table, we will check our age, and according to that we will set. And on that, it can be adjusted according to the inflation, deflation, depression, repression, boom in the economy, because it will be in the hand of the democratic prime minister and chief minister, and the democratic 750 MP and 4,500 MLAs all over India of all political party. Similarly, 6 unborn families blessing is always coming to our Indian community, who are living in 1275 mandir all around 29 state and 6 union territory in the organized manner, in the documented part. And the rays are going to the Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united god and goddess dham and government dham in democratic way, and entering into our heart. As on 26 January 1950, photo, election ID card in the form of electoral roll entered into us in 33 crore population. From 33 crore population, we have reached to 120 crore. I have kept the family ties on the concept of the document system. Everyone is free, and the rays are going to their dham, Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess dham and government dham. Now by the document system, we are becoming a fiscal credit salary earner. By the self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits. What work we are doing? We are sitting in the organized self-employment office by putting our chair and table, and according to the chambers made, illiterate chamber, signature note chamber, 5th standard chamber, 8th standard pass chamber, 10th standard pass chamber, 12th standard pass chambers, graduation pass chambers, post graduation pass chamber, delayed pass chambers, MPhil pass chambers, and the PhD pass chamber and double PhD pass chamber, double MA pass chambers. Automatically the seniority according to qualification and age will come, and we will sit according to that. If we are graduate, we will sit with the graduate chambers, and age will automatically move. This fiscal table credit will be as the railway budget is uniform, as our railway ticket is uniform. Similarly, the employment system will be uniform, because what we are doing, that is being validated. We are regularly 24/7 present in the organized self-employment ministry by the document system, and our political leaders, 750 in the Lok Sabha and 4,500 MLAs in the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. With that, I have tried to put the 6 unborn rays which all are working. All businessmen centrally, multinational corporation of Hindu family, 750 centrally, 750 educationists, Hindu scientists, and the press editors, Hindu editors, and the 750 lawyers. Similarly, 750 Hindu women on the central level, 750 truth non-violence, and 750 government employees central level automatically are working for the nationalization in organized manner. Already they are working with organized salary. We are entering by the document method. Similarly, on the state level, all are working on the state level under our leadership of the chief minister and opposition leader. 4,500 MLAs are working on the state level in each state, 29 state and 6 union territories, and 4,500 Hindu businessmen all are working. 4,500 Hindu educationists, teacher, professors, IITians, then the editors, press, the lawyers, all are working. Then 4,500 women all over states are working. 4,500 truth only non-violence are working in the state, and 4,500 government employee on the state level in public service commission are working. So all are working together in a document system. All we have to do is we have to understand from the 31st August 1946, when the Clement document, Clement Attlee document is coming, our 15 interim representative are entering into the parliament for making India, and then finally we are able to enter 15th August 1947 with independence, and then we are making our constitution. 299 our members who have made our constitution with idealistic form. Now we have to do the document system by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and in this way we will become self-employed uniform government system, because we are knowing our home and we are knowing our God. Whichever God we are worshipping in our home, this is of Hindus, are automatically coming in this framework of the Kailash Dham, that is Shiv Puran, then Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, then Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran. All the ISBN Hindu libraries are full. Calcutta Library, Delhi University Library, Patna University Library, Odisha Library, all the Bhubaneswar Library, Mumbai Library, all libraries are Chennai, Calcutta, Madras libraries, all central libraries, Allahabad libraries, all libraries are full with the Hindu ISBN writers of all faculties. We have to understand 12 so that we will start our process of organizing, because we have tried to put a 6 documented family, because education is the path of becoming human capital. We are generating a system where the self-earning, self-work, certain cash with the educational certificate is entering into the horizon, and by that we are becoming a documented path earner, and double salary we are taking. In the private sector, wherever we are working, 30,000 above and 30,000 below slab is working, where if we are able to survive, double salary is coming. If we are not able to survive, this salary is for lifelong. We have to understand this, and this understanding will develop into a self-employment government job India, where we all are getting whatever fixation we will do by the signing method, it will be our fixed salary, and on that pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness, allowance, ministerial benefit will automatically, and democracy will flourish, because we have more than 1000 political parties voting for unity of India. We can, by our political party members, those who are working in our political party, come in this organized self-employment setup, and automatically give our radical ideas, our conservative ideas, and our superlative ideas, all types of ideas in that. And we have the democratic right, because automatically by the signing method, we are including one Rashtrapati Bhavan through the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, because we are sons and daughters of this 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan and 6 Governor House. And we are putting the Aadhaar card in the idealistic form, the same idealistic form which we have kept on 26 January 1950. And by 2 pairs, Shiv Parvati welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is Prabhu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amita Vilasa, the Chaturbhuj and Lakshmi pair, and Brahma Saraswati means Veena Pustak Dharani and Brahmaji, and law education, their life money, and then Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir, that is Adi Trinetra and non-veto husband, and each united Varshkrit god and goddess. There are so many each united Varshkrit god, Surya Chandama Navagrah Dhanvantari Sankadi Saptarishi, group, all types of god and goddess, and our constitution of India, that is Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, by the documentation system. Automatically we will be on the fiscal credit path in a uniform manner, and our voice will reach to the PMO and CMO. And documented path, we are sitting in the ministry, because that document is a type of the shadow prime minister path, means all the prime minister has reached on the truthful path of their internal heart voice, what is right and what is wrong. All the prime minister, all the president who has reached by the internal voice of the truth which are in their heart, by that path we have reached. So we have to listen to our internal heart, that we require a organized path on which we all become self-employed and we will all become safe, because one fiscal credit salary will always be with us, and according to our qualification we can make, because 12 members I am choosing from the shadow Mandir documents, and automatically it is 72. So 72 circle of our life members will be automatically attached with us. We have already family members from the maternal side and from the paternal side. This will boost up our generation, and we will develop a organized setup in the development of this. This organized setup will not make us any shameful, because we will see each other as self-employed, that our A is also self-employed and B is also self-employed. Though we are the voters of different political party and different thinking, but we are the sons and mothers of these 1275 crore mandis which are scattered all over India, and by 12 choosing the members, we are putting in one form 16.66 into 6 by the Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism, and Amit Kumar Jha, Saradapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, and Truth Only Trumism. By 6 family member, we are making a working schedule, because in this 6 unborn race, one race is of devoted politician who is wholeheartedly on the 4 square standing doing politics. One is the wholehearted industrialist, Hindu industrialist, who is on the 4 square doing the business. One is the devoted legal lawyers and the educationists and the professors and the IITians and the doctors and the editors who are daily seeing the same thing, same development. One is the devoted woman, sister, brother, sister, and the in-laws, all who are working day and night in the home and in the truthful affairs. And one is the truth and non-violence who is understanding everything, and one is the government who is wholeheartedly from 26 January 1950 is working on our home rule and putting our ideas in front of the public and taking the vote and making our chief ministers and prime ministers in India. We have to come together. We have to understand that economical problem is a big question mark, and the solution of this is by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. This is organized self-employment ministry 36 session which I am taking from my house to make you understand. Because we have to understand that organized self-employment ministry and budget is the requirement of today. If 1 rupees is getting guaranteed that yes, we are self-employed and 1 rupees is our fiscal credit salary, we will by the document system, we will under the control of organized self-employment ministry managers. And what will happen? A guidance of an organized person, because senior manager will be automatically of higher name. If we are of 18 years, 32 years will be our senior manager. If we are of 32 years, 46 year will be the senior manager. If we are of 46 year, 58 year will be our senior manager. Automatically by the organized system and the organized briefing, we will be able to form a organized setup and we will live a beautiful life, because our family member will understand by seeing each other that we all are self-employed. We have to understand that organized self-employment is a shadow prime minister path of document, shadow prime is chief minister path of document and on political parties. And we will become the vote bank of all the political parties, and they can come in our organized self-employment ministry budget of Amit Kumar Jha, Sarnapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, and by all over India we can open this office by putting our chair and table together according to our chamber ranking, and we can talk of this on the national level that yes, the basic requirement we have fulfill, and 1 rupees or 2 rupees whatever guarantee is coming, it is whole life guarantee. We can go to the court, because by the document system we are surrendering our sovereignty that yes, it is our work. In this organized self-employment ministry, this is the optional work. We have to understand that our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit has been given a status. If we will devotedly do and we will make a unification documented promotion slab by which from 30,000 below will directly be promoted to 30,000 above, by the process of uniform and truth and non-violence working. Because when we are regularly attending meeting, doing all the prescribed work of the organized self-employment ministry, we will be only promoted. Automatically a competitive atmosphere will be also there and the promotion will be also there, and we will also enjoy our work. Because when we are taking a uniform platform ticket or a ticket from the railway station, if we are lodging at Patna, we are reaching to Mumbai if we have taken off Mumbai, or Calcutta if we have taken off Calcutta, or Ahmedabad if we have taken off Ahmedabad, or to the New Delhi we have we can reach. So we have to understand by this organized ticket of educational certificate we are moving in a right direction, because all the organized people are concerned and daily meeting is automatically being prescribed, because automatically we are briefing each other, we are attached in our WhatsApp group, we are attached in our work doing, and automatically a self-employment atmosphere. No matter if we are earning 1 or 2 rupees by self-employment government servant, because this is our phase, we can show our income, because that is difficult. Every month we cannot show that this much we are earning. By this method, a prescribed uniform fiscal credit, a salary is made of infinite population and infinite profession. Because I have tried to put the division by the administrative method. 30,000 above earner, no need to show, because it will be difficult, because they are already self-reliant, and 30,000 per month earner, the problem is with us only. So we have to be uniform in that, and we will make the promotion slab of 30,000 below earner and 30,000 above earner, and automatically by our truth non-violence we will promote it to the 30,000 above, because the briefing is directly reached to the chief minister and prime minister in the documented form. It is 2021. I have started work from 2001, and the experience is showing that this is the best system of democracy, where everyone is privatized, everyone is globalized, and everyone is liberalized, and everyone is doing their work. And one assurance is from the government side through the government documented economy in the 6th unborn Hindu form, where we are seeing our mother father in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, in the book of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and documented Dham. Automatically in the 6th form, it is connected to one Rashtrapati Bhavan, it is connected to one governor house, and transfer is coming from the chief minister and the Prime Minister, because we are the vote bank, we have the open mouth, we have saved our democracy from 1947. We are moving on a democratic path, we are working in that way, and in this way we are developing. We have to respect each other work, whatever work we are doing, small work what we are doing on the devoted method, we can contribute to our development. And when we will contribute to our development, and by the fiscal credit table, what will happen, we will be employed, organized employed, and our family member will be also happy, because this salary is by self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. And fiscal credit is fixed one. In the month of February every year it will change according to the inflation, deflation, repression, boom in the economy, as the chief minister and prime minister will decide. So automatically three budget system will boost us. No matter little money we are getting, but it is assurance. We can do Monday fast, Tuesday fast, Wednesday fast, Thursday fast, Friday fast, Saturday fast, Sunday fast, Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Triyodasi, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja, all types of puja in the regularized income form. Because my experience, what I have seen in my life is, if 1 rupees is organized and the status is giving from the constitutional government stamp, it is a documented, and we can go to the Supreme Court, and automatically we will be not fearful, because we are getting a assured income, and we can tell I am a organized self-employed grade A in graduation faculty, graduation chambers. My table automatically it will be promoted to the post graduation chamber, or after 4 year automatically it will be coming in the 4-year promotion table. Because all we have to understand is the organized self employment documented part, the shadow prime minister path, document path what we have from 1947, and shadow the president document path what we have to understand this from the Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry is self-employment government job by which we will become self-employed government servant throughout life. And at 18, 32, 46, 58 year, 4 slab I have made in 14 plus 12, that is pension, and 18, 32, 46, 58 year. Eventualities are in our life, and between 0 to 18 years if we are facing any eventuality, automatically we will start showing our self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, and 18 years the pension will start coming. And automatically after 18 years, whenever we think that now employment is required, we will start showing this self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, whatever work we are doing, and we will start sitting with our chairs and table in the organized self employment office according to our chambers allotted, if whatever pass we are, and automatically it will start moving. The rays of our organized workers are also coming in this. The organized politician, the organized industrialist, the organized educationist, the organized Hindu scientists, the organized professors, IITians, doctors, the organized editors, the organized lawyers are coming in this. The organized women who are working for the development of India, the organized truth and non-violence or organized government is automatically coming to this. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. We have to purchase the book of Amit Kumar Jha, Truth Only Trumps, and understand. Automatically 6 family will teach us. We are the vote bank, and we are working in all the sector. 2 work will be automatically our backbone. 1 work from the organized self-employment ministry side, which is the blessing of Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham. And this uniform fiscal credit will unify us all over India, wherever we are. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. This organized self-employment will connect us, and by document system we will be connected to the MLA and MP, and we will get fiscal credit salary. This fiscal credit salary is showing the fiscal credit according to my imagination, but when we will document it, 1 fixed salary, automatically our MPs and MLA will document us by signaturing it, and automatically it will be deposited in Supreme Court, and we can, as our mouth is open, we can easily start speaking, and all political parties will be our guide and will be our guider, and they are Also they will be come in the ministry because all the members will be sitting together only because we all are having organized self-employment ministry. By this organized self-employment ministry, we all brothers and sisters are self-employed government servant. If we are teacher, if we are lawyers, if we are doctors, if we are engineers, if we are working in the different sector, if our 30,000 per month below earning is there, we can easily by the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, we will become self-employed government servant, and one fixation salary will be uniform as our railway ticket is uniform all over India. And automatically by this we will become self-employed because we will not have any hassle for showing money, because this fiscal credit salary will be signatured by us, and anyone will pinpoint the other Rashtrapati Bhavan can pinpoint, because all the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan will be attached to the one Rashtrapati Bhavan which is from our 26 January 1950. All the 6 governor house will be attached to one governor house, that is from 26 January 1950, because they are our senior, they are our guide. We have to understand that self-employment government system is the requirement of today. This will generate self-employment government job, and this will generate a generation of employed, because we are reaching 120 crore. Employment is uncertain, income is uncertain, regularity of income is not there, there is no document. By the 12 mandir, unbound mandir which is coming from the Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham and their representative, we can easily document it and we can move on this path. If we have moved from 15th August 1947, we would have been regularized, and self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission would have established as the finance commission has been established. But no worry, we have to understand that organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today, and now we have to be regularized, and we can regularize by understanding trust and generation by the Amit Kumar Jha, and all our MPs and MLAs will understand, all our industries will understand, all our educationists, all our women members, all our truth non-violence members, and all our government will understand that employment is the big question mark, and what we are doing, that is on the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate, it is being given validity. And by that, in the organized self-employment ministry chambers, we are sitting according to our qualification chambers, because the postgraduate will sit in the postgraduate chamber, double postgraduate will sit in the double portion, and 4 years automatic promotion will come, and from 4 years one table we are sitting, after 4 years next table which is promoted, that will be we are sitting. So by this, the organized prime minister and chief minister can immediately take the briefing, the same briefing which was given on 15th August 1947 when we got united. From the same wave, I am trying to generate the sensation so that we all will be organized self-employed government servant. We have to understand that we are the sons of Kailash Dham, Vaikuntha Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united god and goddess Dham and government Dham. We have to generate a link of unborn by the document signing method. 6 unborn rays are passing from our heart in the Hindu. We are from the Sanatan Dharma. By making the 6 pair Murti of Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is live money, Ram Sita, that is live money, Krishna Radha, that is live money, Amita Vilasa, that is live money, Brahma Saraswati, that is law, education, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba, and non-veto husband, that is family and non-veto husband, and each united god and goddess, that is Hindu, Varshkrit god and goddess, and government is, that is our government stem, Bharat Mata and Bharat Pita, time husband and time wife. We will be able to form a unified society. Already we have been married in different family of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, connected to the one Rashtrapati Bhavan and one governor house. We have to support each other by the Amit Kumar Jha method, and by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, we will have the regular income. And definitely by the preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, this method by the document method, when we are putting organized self-employment ministry under the document system of Amit Kumar Jha, 750 MPs and 4500 MLAs on the documented path of the shadow prime minister document and chief minister shadow documents, automatically we will be able to move. We have to generate a trust and faith among ourselves. And when we will celebrate 31st August to 11th September, this puja of organized self-employment ministry and 16 February to 26 February, this puja, self-employment government job will be always safe, and this will be our form. And automatically by coming into the horizon of 31st August 1946, we will be mesmerized by our God and Goddess blessing, which have been giving blessing to us. We have to put above 30,000 per month earner as our idealist, because we are 30,000 below earner. Automatically this idealistic person will inspire us. That is why I have tried to put 12 Jyotirlingas of all the Kailasdham, Vaikundham, Sardham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, for inspiring us. The 750 MPs and 4,500 MLAs are inspiring us for the democracy. We have to understand by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits, we will become self-employed government servant. We have to generate 3 budget system. Annual budget 100 ministry, we already have from 1860. Railway budget 1 ministry, we have already from 1860. We have to generate organized self-employment ministry, trust and faith wherever we are living in panchayat. Now I am calling it as Satchayat, because panchayat is the form of Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, that is live money, Brahma Saraswati, that is law education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba and non-veto husband, that is family non-veto husband, and each united Varshit God and Goddess, that is the truth savior and truth savior. Now I am attaching this government-governmentary, that is time husband, that is becoming Sadchayat. We are from the 6th family, because by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, from the village we will link to the 6th room of Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847400, 1 to 6 room, and by the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes. From the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and from the Governor House eyes, we will be linked to 26 January 1950 main Rashtrapati Bhavan, and this route will always help us, because this is the permanent route. This is the permanent route, because all over India uniform employment scheme will come by the self-employment government sector. What we are earning, we are not able to judge in the self-employment sector, because the earning is irregular. Sometimes we are earning 5 lakhs, sometimes we are earning 5,000, sometimes we are earning 1 crore. In that circumstances, average we are taking 30,000 per month above earner and average 30,000 per month below earner. Here by the document system, we are entering into the horizon. Automatically we are under the organized government system. And my recommendation is always that 1 rupees or 10 rupees or whatever rupees is being given on our educational certificate and on our constitutional validity on work, we will become self-employed government servant, and full status will come. Whenever we will go to our parties, to our 72 members who are in our organized self-employment ministry all over India, we will be proud that we are going to our graduate chambers, family members, we are going to our postgraduate, double postgraduate chambers, we are going to our IITN chambers or doctor chambers, because the uniform system is being developed. Because a graduate is liking to be a graduate chambers and they enjoy with that. A postgraduate likes to be a postgrad chambers. Similarly, we have to understand that everyone like to be in uniform way. This is the system. By self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal system, on the organized way, we can be able to frame a self-employment government job system. All the politician will understand this, and above 30,000 they can decide anything. This is only uniform. Below 30,000 only is the vote bank in which we are being focused, because what is there, when we are moving on the footpath, automatically we understand what are the demerit of others. But when we are self-understanding by document system that we are belonging from 6 family, all the families vote bank is concentrated in that, we have to respect each other. Automatically we will understand, we will move on that path. We have to understand that organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. This is self-employment government job system which will boost up our economy, and we will be above human capital, because the direction is there, only documentation is required. Wholeheartedly everyone is working from their home. We require a validity on our income, work, educational certificate in a democratic, truth, non-violence way, as we have been from 26 January 1950. And in this way what will happen, we will be self-employed government job servant, and whole life we will be there. And in private sector, wherever we are working, every year before the presentation of budget, income tax department, organized self-employment ministry income tax department will check that we have reached above 30,000 per month above or not. It can increase and decrease, because in 1947 30,000 per month which I am telling today, it was 30,000 per month in those days. On 15th August 1947, the person who was earning 30,000 per month above, they were in the high society. Now Those who are above earning 30,000 per month earner, they are in the high society. We have to understand, we have worked according to the organized way, because a less earner has to think more, because the consumption is more of the less earner. And when we start earning more, then consumption is less, because only 20% we are putting on the consumption. Here we are putting 100%, so we are minutely seeing this. So in these circumstances, we have to understand the 16.66 into 6, and we have to work for the organized self-employment ministry, and automatically by signing the document we will become self-employed government servant, and by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, Finance Commission of India, we will get the benefit every year. So we have to come together and we have to join organized self-employment ministry. Thank you.